Good morning, happy Sunday. So, some of you might remember that this year I vowed not to buy any new clothes. So, it's now almost the end of February and I have not bought one piece of clothing, like clothing. I have, however, bought a pair of shoes, but I think that shoes are pretty hard to, that's hard to find secondhand. Although, I've just been to New Zealand and I just wanted to share my op shop finds from New Zealand. So I did find a pair of shoes. I got these leather boots, which are super cute. They have a little strap on the side, full leather, really good condition, $6. So they're gonna replace I have these ones, which I bought last year from Kmart, and they've been awesome. But they're from Kmart and they're just slightly a bit worn and starting to fall apart. So this year, now I've got actual leather boots and they only cost me $6 secondhand. So awesome. So I'm going to show you the things that I got in New Zealand. Firstly, I'll start with this. This was the first thing I got and it was $1.50. And it's just, I could be a farmer in this shirt. I just really love it. It's just like soft cotton and I just really like it. It's so comfy. I feel so, as soon as I put it on, I was like, oh, I have to have this. And I needed something warm in New Zealand, so, warmish, because it was actually really hot. So that's come to a total of $7.50. Then I got, it's so weird. I bought a denim shirt from Just Jeans last year when I was in Byron Bay. And I've lost it. I don't know where it is. Anyway, so I wanted to find a replacement denim shirt. Secondhand, of course. And I got this one. Now, it needs an iron. But these shirts are so helpful. Just, especially in Queensland, in the, cooler, in between spring and autumn. Because you can just wear it as a jacket. It's like a denim jacket. Yeah. This was $10 actually, so that was a little bit more on the pricey end, but I really liked the stud buttons. And yeah, it's just good. So I'm gonna iron that and wear that like twice this year because Brisbane's so freaking hot all the time. Okay, so next on the list, because I'm on the theme of jackets, I'll do this one. This floral it's a really light bomber. So I've gone with like 3 really light things because Brisbane, jackets are actually my favourite clothing item, but Brisbane just doesn't really get that cold. And I bought a lot of op shop jackets last winter from the Vinnies at Mary Street next to my work. But how cute is this? It's slightly tight, but I just couldn't say no. Look at it. I love it. My sister was like, you have to have that because it's just made for you. So I can zip it up. Anyway, floral bomber. And that was like $5 secondhand, and it's brand new. I don't think anyone's even worn it, and it's not amazing quality, but just look at it. It's amazing. Okay, now I've got 2 other items that are not jackets, so I'm gonna put them on and do an outfit photo for you, but I'm gonna show you without. This is just beautiful. Look at it. It's just a little lace overlay, which actually I can put over this dress too. This is a very versatile dress. It is just from Boohoo, but I'm not buying any more new things, so I can't buy another one. But I wear this all the time. It's just like a stretchy singlet dress. The square neck is really flattering, and it's just like you can wear it to the beach and then wear it out after the beach or whatever. It's very, very versatile. And this cost $5, and it's this beautiful lace top, and I love it. Love it. And then I got a pair of jeans. Yeah. And they were also $5. So that's like 5, 10, 15. Like $30 worth of stuff. I spent $30 and got 3 really light jackets, shirts, top things, and then the lace and jeans and boots. So yeah, $30-ish for things that I was really specifically looking for. Okay, I'm gonna do outfit photo now. So this is the jeans. How good are they? $5. Oh, actually, they were $6. I just saw them on the tag. I love jeans. Jeans are my favorite. And these are so comfy. They're just like Glasson's brand. And yeah, and this top. Ooh, ooh. So I actually did buy a new pair of shoes when I was in New Zealand too. Because what happened, I've been looking for a particular type of shoe. It's 90s and it's platform. Anyway, I walked into number 1 shoe warehouse and hang on. I saw these on the shelf and I abandoned everybody and ran to get them because I was like, I have to have them. How good are they? They are so comfortable. Absolutely love them. I wish that I bought 3 pairs because I could not find anything here. But they're probably, like, I think the 90s kind of vibe is coming back. So there's probably going to be, you know, loads like them. But they're just, I just had to have them. And then I wore them to the wedding and I felt like $1 million. So that's the only new thing that I've bought all year so far. Yeah, so I just wanted to share that with you because it's really fun going op shopping, and it's really good to try not to buy new stuff so that we can use I actually think there's enough clothing in the world for us all to be well dressed for like 10 years, right? Like, we just don't need to make any more stuff. There's just so much stuff. And clothing is the 2nd largest polluter next to oil in the world. So I don't know, have a think about that, see what you can do thrifting. If you need any tips or ideas, or you want to go op shopping sometime, let me know. And I hope that you have a lovely weekend and a great week, and I'll see you soon. Bye.